back to our new product spotlight. I'm Hannah.
And I'm Allie, and we are very excited to show you some of the things that came to the warehouse and onto PotomacBeads.com this April as we move into May.
Yeah.
May already.
Yeah.
Man, crazy. May already. So let's get to it, and we'll show you all the different things that we have here for new for you to shop through. So one of the first new products that we had this month that just came out is our new solar system kit. And I love this because it's like a beginner friendly.
Right, exactly.
And I didn't look, I wanted to do my homework. Is Pluto a planet still? Or is Pluto not a planet?
Technically, yes.
When I was in school,
they classify it as a
okay,
planet
so
now.
when I was in school it was. When you were in school, was it not?
No, it was not.
It was not.
But now,
it's back to the planet. Okay, so I'm sure Anna has Pluto on here.
Yeah.
But it's a really cool creation of gemstones along with our halo bead. And the new exciting thing about the kit is
they come in these cool Potomac Beads metal tins, and any kits coming after this one that are brand new are going to be packaged in these kits as well.
awesome. So the tins will open. They have the logo on it. You can keep your project in it. It has your solar system kit instructions. All you need for this is a round nose wire cutter, needle nose. It's really simple. And then you get one of each of those along with your little cleaning cloth. In the kit, you can take it with you, you can travel. And I love that these kits are reusable. So when I go camping, I always take like Band-Aids and Neosporin and stuff. Perfect little kit to keep your projects in and to use elsewise as well. So this is the new solar system kit coming in the new Potomac Beads tin. And Boo, hello! This is our new extra large, so you can see it covers Hannah and I. Extra large beading mat. It is, what is it, 24?
22 by 14 inches.
22 by 14 inches. So if you want a huge beading surface, this is a nice bead mat from Bead On It boards, but it is a huge surface. So you can see Hannah and I had to bring you different just to do it. It almost looks like a blanket, or you can see how big it is. But if you've been thinking like, man, my beading mat just isn't big enough, or I have a bigger workspace, this one is an awesome little addition. Also, if you want to, and you're having it, you can check out the rubber non-slip mat to go right on top of it. So this one is very cool from Bead On It boards, really extra big bead mat that we can use as a blanket if we get cold.
Yeah.
Or a cat's gonna be on it.
Cat.
That's too.
So another thing that we've received in the warehouse that has been new is our collections. We always receive new collections. And we got 3 packs of Slim Navettes in settings, and we have them in 3 different colorways.
Nice. So we have kind of blues and yellows, greens and dark blue and purple, and then your neutrals and your bright ones. I wanted to open these up so you could see kind of how the whole was lined up. And we tried these as a trial during the live sales. And they did so well that we decided to actually make some more and put them on the website. So we have the Slim Navettes in 3 different colorways. Then we have, which was quickly sold out on the website, or on the live sales. Join us if you haven't seen that. We have the Potomac Crystal Water Drop Collection. And these you get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 different ones. They are big guys. They work great as light pools for decoration. I've also had one just like pretty little one on your necklace here, or you could do it at the top that you look like the princess from Neverending Story.
Yeah.
You have that as well. So that's the Water Drop Crystal Pendant Collection, and then we also have another crystal collection, and this one is Snowflake. So get your early start. Have you started shopping for Christmas yet?
No, I have not.
As we get, you need to live the Christmas in July. These are all the Snowflake color shift that you have here, and you get 4 packs of 10, and you can see how awesome they are just to hang down as a simple little pair of earrings. Great collections that we're giving you a great deal as we join them up, and we have these available for you. So we have more coming, I know that,
totally.
and more that are there, and these are some of the new crystal collections. So make sure you check out the collections as well. So also some new products by popular demand. So we had some projects that we did from the subscription boxes, and one was the
Frozen Beauty necklace.
and the Spring Mix.
Spring Mix.
Spring Mix. I love the little ladybugs.
I know,
in it.
I love the little
Mine didn't have, mine that I used
Oh.
didn't have any little ladybugs
Oh, no.
in it. I love that they got added to it. And also those chartreuse diamonds. So we did some examples and some projects with them. So some of this funky check glass is actually coming to the site as well. So you're in luck if you missed out and you really wanted that April subscription box. They are sold out, but you can still get some of these supplies to make your spring mix necklace. And I love just the color variety in some of this check gloss that you're never gonna see again.
Right.
Because when they make the check gloss, they start out with like big canes and they mix it. So it's really hard anytime there's swirls or lines in to recreate that and remix it. So we've got some squares, some new fire polished rounds, some big squares, and I love, love, love these chartreuse beads with lots of different fun check gloss coming onto the site as well. Which one's your favorite?
I'd say the spring mix.
Spring mix, I know. Isn't it so fun?
It's just so fun. Yeah, it's definitely spring.
Definitely springy. And when I made my spring necklace, I actually put some of these with it and then put some bright colors as well. Great color mix. Anna did a good job mixing some things together here. And then our production team did a great job making sure that you get all those little colors in your mixes. Thanks so much for joining us on this little product spotlight of new things that came in April. I gotta keep saying that.
Right.
We actually have a lot more in the bin, so make sure you go to our What's New page, check that out, and click the link below in the description, and that'll get you to that. You can see a bunch of our new products.
Totally, yeah.
So lots and lots of new things coming, and I'm really excited about the tins.
Oh, yeah.
So what did you say when we were doing it? It's like the ASMR?
Yeah, it's like ASMR.
That it kind of sounds like a horse or something going on.
Yeah.
So thanks for joining in with Hannah and I, and we will see you next month. Make sure that you hit that little like button, give us a thumbs up, and check out all the new great products. Thanks. See you later.
See ya.